What is this dress? The swiftness of this brand is mind-blowing. Morning, it's another day. I decided that I need to clean the house and like put my mind together. Just paid for this particular product today and they got it delivered. I'm supposed to use it for my shoot and I'm so happy it's right in time for my shoot. So yeah. I know. I'm a badass. Wait, did you still do your video?
Yeah. Huh?
Your yes. No, you get the one like the a day in my life kind of stuff. Where you went for shoots, blah 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 blah.
Yeah, I was filming myself, like Jigga, I still filmed.
Oh, okay.
I was like, just filming, like it's just clips and stuff. So yeah.
So let me quickly show you guys. This is the only person I follow on my Pinterest, and to be honest, I really like her. I don't know, I have this weird way of just following a certain type of people. I think my stuff is in mute. And this is basically the stuff I have posted lately, which is literally just repurposing my content. I think I've run out of most of my glosses. The remaining gloss I have is just the ones that are tinted, and honestly I don't really like it. I had a particular type of content planned out today. Someone decided to ruin my planned intention for the day, which, to be honest, as someone who procrastinates a lot, I have to go an extra mile to like plan out what I want to do and make it come to reality. If not, I will never ever do it. I haven't shown you guys the outfit that came with these clothes. This is the e-tailor that came with the tote bag. This is the e-tailor brand. It's a clothing brand. They reached out to me on Instagram and that they wanted to make a dress. For me. I can't even talk. I know I'm running late for my appointment, but it's not like my regular type of appointment. This is like a very special type of appointment with a particular client. And I think when I come back or tomorrow, I'll show you guys the outfits because I want to style it next week. My package just arrived finally. My skincare is back and I can now start like posting skincare content and also doing my skincare religiously, because lately I haven't been doing my skincare because, to be honest, I basically don't have any single thing. I don't even have like a soap to have my bath with. I have to like opt for like an alternative, which irks me because it gives me this weird smell. And honestly, I'm happy that my soap is back and I'll be reviewing that soap for you guys on YouTube because I haven't worn my ring. Wearing a jewelry, I forget to wear a jewelry. Like if it's not permanently on me, I tend to forget that. I have not taken this off in a long while, so it's always on my hand, so I always wear it because I never take it off. And this is so good quality that it doesn't tarnish at all. This I have barely removed this in a long while. I just started wearing this and I've not removed this. I've not removed this since I started wearing it. Like that is how good. I have to have the jewelry on me already. If not, I tend to forget. That's why I never really wear my ring. Let me just bring out an ID first. Where the hell is my makeup style? So you guys, I'm currently heading home now. I just finished working and I already picked up the package. I didn't know it was this big, but anyways, say hi. The client, she has every single thing that's for makeup, so I usually don't carry all my things. This house is fire. So I quickly did this shoot for this dress. It looks nice. I know it looks nice. I really underestimated how bright this room is, but damn, it is bright. I've been shooting with natural lighting. The only light you're seeing behind, I just turned it on because I wanted to give my video like a little bit of warmth. But hello, do not talk to me. What is this dress? I look fine. Okay, I need to show my man my dress and show him how I look, because I look really, really good. Eat me up. Okay.
Currently on the queue to get on the tram 28. Let me show you guys what it looks like.
So I'm done with my skincare. I did a couple of products and then I finished up with the B-Labs matcha sunscreen and my moisturizer, and this is my skin. Kind of gonna upload a skincare routine on Instagram and on TikTok, so if you follow me on there you must have seen it, so you check it out. Yeah, damn, I look so gorgeous. Jesus Christ, I look nice. So I just finished creating content and I need to run some errands. I have to go buy some makeup products because I'll be having a busy day tomorrow. Look at me wearing all green, like don't talk, tell me. Oh my god. So put on some perfume because the weather is severely hot and the last thing you want to do is just smell when you're around people. So I already wore some deodorant. So just in case you guys are like, oh, why are you not wearing deodorant? I already wore some deodorant. I'm buying a couple of things to work with tomorrow. And yeah. So this is one of the best brow pencils. Right? Yes. So I picked up these two things for my own personal use. Okay? Only beauty mascara. I just finished getting most of the stuff I need for work, and I'm heading to the market right now. My people just arrived. I did what is the worst that can possibly happen type of shopping. Did I just buy Cold Stone ice cream for 7,600? Yes, I just did. What is the worst that can happen? Like the country is dead. The country is dead at this point. I just have to say the country is dead. Everything is super expensive. Wow. So this is what dinner looks like. There's no lights apparently, so I'm watching Modern Family on my laptop and I'm having this because I plan on not sleeping anytime soon. And I made nkwobi or oba. I don't know what I made. If you're Igbo, you know it's hot, so obviously my fan. And yeah, I got a couple of products from Top Glam. You know that's the only place I shop, like physical shopping for makeup. So I picked up their beauty sponges. They're no longer affordable, but they're not like super expensive, so I got it for like 3,000 naira each. So pro setting spray, because the Nigerian weather is super hot and this is the only thing that's been keeping my makeup intact. Anyways, I got the Nuban concealer. I love it because it's like very fuller coverage. Like, it's not overly thick and matte, it's velvety. That's the right word. It's very velvety. So like I picked it up and it's no longer cheap. It used to be 4,500 or like 5,000. Now I got it for 8,500. How? Classic glue. I don't wear lashes. These are for my clients, you know. So classic glue, especially for people who have allergies. So like, yeah. I got some gloss. If I had known, I would have just gone to Ibano where I usually buy it for a very cheaper rate. But then like I'm at the store and I'm buying everything there, so like why not just buy it? But like I think at Prince Ibano they sell it for 1,500, but I got it for 3,000. I got my brush cleaner for my brushes, because on days I have multiple jobs, I usually like would want to clean my brushes, so I don't reuse the brushes I've already used on one person or another person. Hygiene, people, hygiene. So I picked up the Toglam brow pencil because this makes work very easy for me. Like, makes work a lot easier. So I picked up the shade medium brown and dark brown. I didn't pick up the ebony brown because when I'm doing like super dark skin people, I like using Potts gel and like a black liner, so it can be top notch. Picked up the like glitter and pigment. This is from Candy Beauty Line. This is their mini size and this is alpha pigment. I really like this shade, that's why I got it. Last but not the least, I got the Omari Code lip oil and lip body balm, butter balm. What the hell am I saying? Day 2 of working with my clients. I'll see them another day. Imakazi. Say hi. Hi, hello. Mommy. I look busted. I've been working since 6 a.m. So I'm going to buy a couple of products that I need for work tomorrow and next tomorrow. And I can actually place an order, but then I'm always inside the house. You need to just go out and like, catch a breath. At the same time, I think I want to do my nails today. Yeah, I think I want to do my nails today, and yeah, that's basically it. I was in a meeting once and somebody walked in and just lost his supposed to say? What am I supposed to say? Oh no, do exactly 58. I'll give you 1,000 naira for my bag. Our account is now opening, and so we're about to wash plates. Say hi. You're coming for holiday? No, I'm using the Omari code. Yeah.
Shut me out.
Maybe lion. Ifi. Mama Ziga. So we decided to have our very first train experience, which we are super excited about. So we booked a ride and headed to Marina, and then we got there and got our ticket, which literally cost 1,000 naira for each card. And then we were super pumped and super excited to board the train. The station was clean, like mind-blowing. It is very clean, and the experience was really, really nice. I was so shy to make videos and take pictures because I was like, people are staring. However, at some point I was like, fuck it, man. The experience was really, really nice. Oh my god. I just concluded my upgrade class with one of my students. She came all the way from Côte d'Ivoire, and it was an amazing class. I did not record it because I can't be making people uncomfortable just because I'm a vlogger. However, I want to point out something. Nigerians, we really need to do better. I'm not saying all Nigerians act the same way. I'm saying that a couple of Nigerians act this way, which is very wrong. When you see a foreigner, see them as an extension of yourself. Don't see them as an opportunity. It's so sad and mind-boggling that when most people see foreigners, they only see an opportunity to make more money. They'll see opportunities without seeing like future benefits of actually just being a nice person and being an honest person and being a truthful person in general. To be honest, I cannot emphasize truthfulness enough. Like, I can't say that I'm one person who tells the truth all the time. I've lied a couple of times in my life. I mean, I'm a human being. But like, don't make it a habit that you just automatically just lie for no goddamn reason. It's very wrong. It's disgusting. It's appalling. Be as honest as you can. Say the truth as best as you can. It will not cost you money. It will not change your age. It will not make you die. You will live long being an honest person. We all walk around with on our shoulders saying we are all godly and religious people. Yes, we are still the ones that do the most atrocious things. Nevertheless, I'm gonna end my vlog here. I'm not sure if I even introduced myself in the vlog. However, this is the end of the vlog. And hit the subscribe button, like my content if you like this sort of videos where I document a couple of things that happen in my life. And until then, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.